Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Gala, we are trading at 0.02547, 24-hour volume, we're down 11%, and market cap, we're up 1.93%. Heading over to our daily chart here, in the last couple of days here, we saw the rejection from our top of our trend line as we were following this descending channel, as we were consistently hitting a lot of support, and then coming down to resistance here. What is actually very interesting here for Gala is that the course of action was being rejected from the top line and then coming back down to an area of support. But what we actually saw is a consolidation where we see the price coming zigzag, where it hits resistance, coming down to an area of support. And if we can take a look at the area of resistance, it's at 23% of our fib, or 2608. If we take a look at the Bollinger Bands here, so we've got the upper bands and the lower band here is reacting, and it's closing in. Again, lower volatility. Price is going to move fairly slow here, and it is going to rally up for a breakout, either an uptrend or a downtrend. Now, one of the course of actions for Gala or any type of coin, in order to get a breakout for an uptrend, we need to be able to close above the 20 moving average when we see the Bollinger Bands squeeze in, and most importantly, pinch in itself. So here where we see the consolidation, here where we can see the consolidation for the Bollinger Bands, we can see again the pinch, consolidation, expansion, and where the actual Bollinger or the price was a rejection from the 20 MA closed below it. So the actual breakout occurred a downtrend. In order again for us to break out in an uptrend is a retest and close above the 20 MA and retracing at the upper bound. So we're going to watch this very closely here in the next couple of days for Gala to see where the price action is, but be prepared again for the price itself to come up, retest the 23% of our fib, and then come back down, and most importantly hold into our area of support here at the 2380, where we found support on November 22nd and November 21st, and most importantly just recently here on November 28th. So let's head over to our immediate short term for 2 hours. Again, kind of the same thing here, hitting resistance, coming down to an area of support, resistance, support. We are continuously making a lot of higher peaks, as we can see with the ranges and their candlestick wicks at the very top here. Now, this candlestick so far for today in our 2 hour is a retest of our 38% of our fib. Now, if we take a look at a closer area at 38% of our fib, it was known as a good area of support, resistance, resistance, support. So we know this area is a good area of high confluence, or basically an area of high interest. If people are looking to buy it and ride this trend itself, they're going to see if there is people that are going to push the price and then sell or basically dump the coin itself. Now, one of the things we want to make sure, if the price is going increasing or basically going up, is we need to make sure that the volume does match the uptrend. Because if the volume is not matching the uptrend itself, then it shows us that the uptrend is not supported by the volume. So we want to be looking for shorter entries opposed to long entries itself. Most importantly, too, as we see this uptrend and a challenge of this resistance line is this gap here that we see. We can see there's a gap that was created from the previous candlestick. Now, again, keep in mind that this 2 hour time frame of this candlestick is not over quite yet. It may fill the remaining orders of this gap. But if we do end in this candlestick and there is a gap here, this means, again, left liquidity, that there is orders here that needs to be filled sometime in the future. Same thing here. If I show you guys an example, here was a gap that was created on November 26th. Even though the price action didn't come down immediately, but if we take a look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candlesticks until these orders or left liquidity was filled. We can see this long candlestick wick filled this area here. Again, here was a gap very quickly here. So it can be either quick or it can be very long for this order to be filled. But knowing that we're going to have a retracement that's going to come back down to this area. And again, we can already see a few nodes that are sticking out from our volume profile that has high interest at this dollar amount here, which is around 2,526. So that's kind of my outlook here for Gala. I mean, it is really critical here for our daily time frame to retest this area of resistance. We've tested it multiple times, and it's just a matter of time that we do actually break through this resistance level. So long again here, our volume is supporting this uptrend, so we can retest and have a very sturdy and strong incline for the price and the volume itself. So definitely let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Like and subscribe to the channel, but I'll see you next time.